Hey, amazing teachers! You know that moment when your class is doing great, right up until they aren't? The volume creeps up, someone starts narrating their snack choices, and suddenly you're competing with the entire cast of middle school telenovela. Enter the target language column response attention signal. It's fast, it's fun, and yes, you can teach it in under 1 minute. Pick something like Klasse, and they simply reply, Sí, profe. Or for German, Klasse, ja, Lehrer. You say it once, they say it back, and boom, instant quiet without sacrificing the target language. A concrete version for tomorrow? Choose your phrase, teach it dramatically. I recommend jazz hands, and practice it 3 times. Normal voice, silly voice, whisper voice. Then use it during transitions, before a story, after pair work, anytime the room starts giving, we've lost control of the narrative energy. My French favorite is écouter, with the students responding on écoute. You'd be surprised how quickly they latch onto it. Students love having a routine that's basically a secret club handshake. And if you want to level it up, add an optional gesture. Say the call and response, and students snap, clap once, or tap their desk lightly as they respond. It channels their fidget energy into something useful and resets the room in seconds. And if you want tons of routines, visuals, and target language prompts that slide perfectly into attention signals and transitions, grab the CI Survival Kit with Ask a Story slides in French, German, and Spanish at mm.us/kit. It's the toolbox that keeps your class moving and your sanity firmly intact. Happy comprehensible input.